Hello everyone! Today I'm going to be showing you all how to make your very own Minecraft server for you and your friends. This costs zero money and is really easy to make, so enjoy! So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to getbucket.org. This is, in my opinion, the best way to do it. You can go ahead and make one from scratch. I feel like that's just a little too complicated, especially if you've never done this before. This way is a lot more straightforward and you'll just get through it a lot quicker. So once you go to getbucket.org, the homepage will give you the latest version of Minecraft and you can download either Spigot or Bucket, whichever one you want. I usually just go Spigot, that's just the one I always would download. Whichever one you'd want, whatever suits you. But if you want to go for a later version of Minecraft, you can go up here to downloads. And then once again, you can choose vanilla, Spigot, or craft bucket. Once again, I go for a Spigot server. That's just my personal preference. Once again, it's up to you. If you scroll down through here, you'll see all the versions that you can get. I'll go for 1.16.2. This will be the same process across any version you're using. If there's any changes that do need to be made, I will say. So just go to whatever version you want to download and you just click download. That's going to bring you to this page here, and then you just gotta click download here. This will then start downloading your jar file. This is going to come up here. This is just because it is a .jar file. Chrome doesn't recognize jar files properly, and they'll give you this warning. As long as from a trusted website like getbucket.org, then you should be fine. Keep. Don't open it yet. So go onto your desktop, and I'm going to go to new, and then folder. Then rename this folder to whatever you want. I'm just going to call this one 1.16.2 server. So we're going to drag this here, and you can either drag it onto your desktop and then move it in here, or you can drag it just straight from here into there. So now we are going to go ahead and open up the 1.16.2 folder. So now this is open, it's going to be empty, it's only going to have the spigot jar that we just moved in. Right click on the folder and click new, and then click text document. Some people will name this run.txt. I'm going to name it start. That's just what I personally name it. You can once again name whatever you want. This is just going to be the folder that we will be using to actually start the server up. So once that's made, you're going to go ahead and open that. It's going to open in Notepad, most likely. That is usually the case for everyone. So in here, we're going to just paste one thing. So I'll leave this in the description below. So this is what we're going to paste. So this is really important to remember. Whatever your spigot jar here is named needs to be put here. So if this here doesn't match this, the server will not work. If this here was named just server.jar, then this here will be named server.jar. They both need to match. Once you have that down, you can click Ctrl S to save it, or you can go to File and you can click Save, whichever works for you. Ctrl S is usually just faster. And then you can close this. Select the text document and then right click on it and then click Rename. Now the thing we want to rename is the .txt. We are going to rename the .txt to .bat, which will then make this a Windows batch file. It's going to come up saying if you change a file name extension, the file will become unusable. Are you sure you want to change it? Just click yes. And then you can see here it's now a Windows batch file. Once it's been named to a .bat, you can double click on that and this will then start it up. Now this is going to come up. It's going to say that it failed to load eula.txt. You need to agree to the EULA in order to run the server. Go to eula.txt for more info and then press any key to continue. Just click whatever key you want. I just enter space, whatever. And you're going to see up here we have a new folder, a new text document, I should say, called eula.txt. Double click on that and then that'll open Notepad. The only thing in here you need to worry about is the EULA equals false. Just go ahead and get rid of the word false and replace it with the word true. So once EULA equals true, you can then go ahead and save that. You can exit out of it, and now you can double click on start.bat and start running the server again. So here we can see the server is done. So we can go ahead and go into Minecraft and check it out. So now I'm in Minecraft and I am in 1.16.2 as you can see here, which is the version our server is on. So to connect to your own server, you just need to go ahead and click on multiplayer, add server, and then for your server address, you can either type 0 or localhost. So as you can see, if I go here and go edit, this is just localhost, or it could be 0. So now all you gotta do is you can just go ahead and click on it. It'll start loading up the world. Oh, that was horrifying. Okay. Well, that was a jump scare. So for your friends to join, they need to type in your IP address and then the port for the server. I'll show you what that looks like now. This is quite important, otherwise they won't be able to join. So your IP address will look something like this. But the important part is you need to add colon 25565. You need to allow the port 25565 through your firewall, otherwise they will not be allowed to connect. If you want to opt yourself, go ahead and go into command prompt where the server is running, and down here at the very bottom you're able to type. Just type in OP and then your username. So mine is SarahScript, and then click enter, and you are now a server operator. So that's all I have for you guys today. This is how you make your own Minecraft server whilst allowing your friends to join. If you guys did enjoy the video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. I will also make a video showing how you can add plugins to your Minecraft server, and I'll also probably make a video showing how I code my Minecraft plugins. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. If you have any questions or any problems, do let me know in the comments below and I will try to answer them as best as I can. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!